Make sure to stay until the end, we will explain where you can buy cheap door lock actuators from as well. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a car. It could be almost any new modern vehicle guys that you have central locking, okay, with remote control that you lock or unlock the car. If you guys have one of those and you want to know what door lock actuator noise sounds like, when is the time to replace it, what else you need to check, make sure to stay until the end. We'll cover all that in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On BMWs, we'll have more than 1000 videos. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. You can see we got another one to work on here recently as well. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your BMW or any car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can save a fortune. So let's start on it now. So we'll demonstrate on that BMW guys, but many cars will use about the same design of door lock actuators. We've often even seen where the door lock actuators are made from just a few companies and just the car manufacturers order them, okay? Imagine like this one, okay, just you have a different shape, but design and the way it works will be about the same on most cars. What you have in that actuator, that's the actuator that's installed on the door, usually right here, and it will go and lock the door, close the door right here, and then when you lock the vehicle, it has a plastic wheel with a little motor that deactivates the door handles, okay, so they will not engage, especially the exterior one. Sometimes the interior one could be disengaged, sometimes not, but that plastic motor, that plastic gear and the motor there guys, the gear usually cracks when they fail or it gets worn, and as a result that actuator guys start making a noise. We'll explain that noise in a second. You will start hearing that noise when you lock or unlock your car often guys, okay? And what you need to check when you hear that noise, make sure your doors are locked, okay, when you lock your vehicle, because sometimes if you hear that noise, maybe the door didn't lock. Or if you unlock your car and the door doesn't unlock and you hear that noise, maybe the wheel cannot do it guys. So listen now, I'm going to press the button, 3, 2, 1, and you can guys hear the noise, right? That's a door lock actuator guys, okay, failing door lock actuator. If you guys want to see where to buy cheap actuator from, we share the link in the description of the video below. Check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.